Hello, in OneDay demo. Here in our dashboard, we can find application section. We can install the application from the App Store, which is already made in the platform in different business fields. We can also create our application if we didn't find in the store using Quick Wizard, uploading from Excel sheet, using request application, or using the AI. We can provide our application description, the models and the fields, where the system will create it for us in a minute. Here in the dashboard, we can find the reports, analytics, charts, the AI, the statistics about our applications. Let's take a look about one application content. Here we can find our models. As well, we can open any model to see its data. Then we can use another view type like grouping by some field. We can use the pivot table to see the analytics levels. As well, we can see other options. Also, here is the standard action for each data row. This is the item. We can see the fields. We can see the activity history as auditing report, which this item created by whom. Also, we can use the advanced search to search for any field with any operator type. We can also mix two conditions in one search. Also, we can use the symbol filter like this exists with any field in the table. In the report section, we can find our reports. We can design new report. The report is supporting displaying the charts in any widget we need. Also to select the column types or X and Y axes. Here we can customize our report and build our fields, grouping, make statistics by any field. In user management, we can add new users by inviting them by their email. Also, we can assign them to user groups, then to give them a permission from the model permission. This model permission containing the permission for the models, standard permissions, create, update, delete, etc. with the field level. In the item group, we can set the data level permission. And in the API key, we can generate the API keys so we can integrate this application to external app. Now, if we open any model in the system, we can find the Smart Designer. In Smart Designer, we can shape our form or our screen. We can add many fields from a different data type. We can assign properties as we want. Also, we can add new sections or tabs. This will be reflected directly to the form, as we see. We can open the field property from here as well. We can edit our models, adding new models to the system. We can also create the models using the AI. We can see our data field in the system and filter by model and data type. We can upload our custom code and execute it as a part of the platform. We can publish our application to the store. We can create a new automation or workflow in the system using the event and action. Also, we have in the development section the migration store, which is the small plugins we can install to any application. We have the data management section. We can make a backup or see the system logs. We can also have the integration with our application with supported integration like creating new SMS gateway, email gateway, or even build our own application with no code. Let's see how we can create our website or mobile application. Here we can integrate with the dashboard data, so it will be dynamic application. Also, we can create our mobile form like this. We can go to the properties and customize our properties like working in HTML or Photoshop. We can drag and drop the ready-made components and templates just by drag and drop any template or component. It will be ready to be used. So you can create the website in 1 minute. After building the website or mobile, we can find the builder code, which is integrated in GitHub and directly customize the code directly from here. In the website, we will have the Learning Hub and the OneDay Academy, which contains many courses for the end user or the developer to see how we can create the application and use it. Also, we have the API documentation so the developers can integrate with OneDay application using this API.